Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. For any country, it's not just procuring aircraft or helicopters, missiles, or drones are vital. Even equipping their army with powerful and reliable assault rifles are very important. If we take India, they are well equipped with many powerful and proven assault rifles and guns. The various guns which are part of Indian Army arsenal are SIGs or SIG 716 from the United States, the Negev NG7, AK-203 assault rifles which would be very soon manufactured in India, and there are even plans to procure the guns from Caracal UAE. Similar to this, even Pakistan has planned to procure assault rifles for their army forces. As per the recent update, it looks like Pakistan has reached out to Turkey for their powerful MPT-6 assault rifles. These MPT-6 assault rifles are lighter versions of MPT-76 rifles. The government of Pakistan is in talks with Turkey's state-owned factory which is ASFAT for the MPT-6 rifles. The Pakistani army has asked Turkey for this particular rifle along with bullets for trial. If Pakistan is satisfied with the performance of these rifles, they would be manufacturing almost 1 lakh assault rifles in their ordnance factories. These manufacturing of 1 lakh assault rifles will happen after a transfer of technology, and it is said that the contract is likely to be signed in mid 2022 tentatively. As of now, we are not sure if Pakistan will be getting these rifles from Turkey or another set of rifles which they are looking to acquire from South Africa. Even if they are getting these rifles, not sure how powerful it would be compared with the SIG-SAW rifle of United States and AK-203 rifles of Russia. Turkey is probably the only country after China which provides such weapons to Pakistan. So let's expect Pakistan finishes the required trials of these Turkey origin rifles and starts manufacturing them in their factory to boost the firing power of their army fleet. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.